Hello there, this is Ofori, and today I'm going to share with you a tip about having a face mask, but do it yourself at home. I picked up this tip from the internet. Thank God for the internet. And I think it's going to come in handy, especially for folks who can't afford face mask or can't get access to it. What you're going to basically do is to get yourself one of your t-shirts. It could be an old shirt, it could be a new shirt. Just get one t-shirt. Most importantly, make sure it's a clean t-shirt. We're going to turn this into a face mask that covers our nose, covers our mouth, and yeah, covers our ears. But of course, there'll be enough, room for you to be able to see from your eye. So again, clean t-shirt. Okay, smells good. I washed it. So yeah, turn it upside down this way so the head part is at the bottom. Put it over your head, but don't let it go all the way down, and run it around your ears. If you have a big head like mine, you might have a little bit of struggle, but not too much. Once you're done, it's all going to be comfortable. Make sure things look like this, and make sure you have enough clearing for your eye, so it's not sticking into your eyes. And then here's the second part. I turn the shirt from the bottom and I throw everything inside, so we have a look like this, right? And then I move everything backwards, okay? And then I turn it over, bend down, turn it over, right? And put it over my head. See, now you can't see my bald head. Put over my head, and make sure my eyes are good enough to see. Pull it down as low as you want. This is the lowest I want it. You could go lower if you want, but and there you go. So I just leave everything out here as it is, and there's your face mask. Head covered, nose covered, mouth covered, ears covered. We're good to go out. Social distancing when you're out is very important. You don't have to go out, but if you have to, wear a face mask. If you don't have the regular face mask, old t-shirt, create your own face mask, and you're good to go out. Go out for only important reasons, and when you're outside, social distancing, keep that in mind. When you get back home, wash your hands, yeah, very well. I know you know how to wash your hands very well by now. Soap and running water, if you don't have any hand sanitizers, will help. And take your mask off, wash it, else I advise have at least 2 or 3 shirts that you use for this purpose. Anytime you go out and you use your own shirt for your face mask, when you get home, wash the shirt, soap and water, put it in the laundry, and use another one. And coronavirus, definitely we're gonna beat it, but we have to use our heads. Be smart, social distance, be hygienic. Thanks for watching.